Did you ever think it? What kind of quality you have to give advice to the other people? If I follow these 10 advice, it means I will be a person which people respect you. If you like my videos, and a small tip, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Subscribe my YouTube channel, Life with Mansoor. Thank you. Once again, this is Mansoor. I am the president and CEO of MD Group of the companies. My friend, I hope you like my video. There is a lot of videos I'm trying to share my life thought and continue basis. My one message to my all viewer is your family life and your business is attached together, especially in North America. If you ignore your family, you will not get success in the business or in the job site, because those who give a value to the family, they always have a different vision and different thought process. My message today is very entirely different. People ask me that how and why the other people respect you, and how we identified that the other party is respecting you, and what we should do to the people who will come and see you and take the advice from you. The first indicator of the life is, if you see you are the one who is giving advice to the people, and people are waiting your advice, or people wants to you give the advice, they will continue their life. So it means you already blessed from the God, that the God give you the strength to give advice to the other people. But think about it, why the people take advice to the other people? Did you ever think it? What kind of quality you have to give advice to the other people? Did you ever think about it? Build, and this, and it's not something that if you're giving advice that you are the richer, if you give the advice you are powerful, if you give the advice that we are so intelligent. No, my friend, the moment you have these three things in your mind, the people will not ask the advice from you, because you are giving advice, it means by power. The moment you give advice by power, it is maybe the order is not advice. You can judge this one starting from your home, and the best thing to check is a tough task, my friends, is a tough task start from your family. And the most effective person in the family which you can identify is your wife, because my opinion is that sometime the whole world is listening you except your wife. But if you feel that your wife start listening you by heart, not by force, it means that you have a quality to have some quality that you can able to grow yourself. This is the indication I'm just telling you. My friend, I give you a 10 advice today with the help of this video. And this is the technique that you feel that if I follow these 10 advice, it means I will be a person which people respect you. And the indication of respecting is then you will become automatically rich because your door will be open everywhere. The number one part is listening. Never interrupt if anybody talking, let them to finish their talking. So that if you have a good listening habit, build it, then people are start respecting you. Try it. Number two, whenever you meet to the people, you put your interest on site. So in other word is meeting to the people is your interests will not be part of this conversation. If you put other party interest on this conversation, you will start building the respect. Number third, humbleness. Humbleness is not just showing it, saying it. Humbleness is doing it. Means don't humble front of the rich people. Your humbleness will show the person who have less power than you. If you have this kind of courage, you will have a different kind of wording coming from your mouth. And number four, when you see someone mistakes, when you feel someone mistakes, try to give a forgiveness. And when I say the forgiveness, means forgiveness. And number five is whenever the people need you, you try your best to be there or close to be there. Number six is do not make differentiate between rich and poor people. The moment you start differentiate between rich and poor people, you're going to lose your honor. Number seven, never underestimate any person. This is very important line I will share with you. This one is, how do you know that this person is not useful for you? How do you know? God made it. It means there is some kind of quality they have. So you cannot judge it that this person is not useful for me. Don't be a judgmental. Number eight, do not judge the people with their appearance. Give a time to them to show their quality. Number nine, if you are the powerful and the people is under you, then give access to the people. I just share you one thing and I apply to my company. There is a one company factory owner have 1,000 employees, and there is a 5 or 6% of the employee are useless. they are not working, they're just sitting, and they're not mentally stable, and they are just like they are. They put the case to the owner that you can save your salary of 5% of your employee, which is, we already analyzed that these 5% people are not working, just wasting the amount what you're paying it, you are getting from them. You will surprise what answer they give it to them. They say, you are idiot. Do you understand that part? The 95% of the people who is paid for it and make money for the company, where are they getting this kind of money? Because of this 5% of the people. If I remove this 5% of the people, then I will lose everything. So I want to keep paying these 5% people to maintain the 95%. My friend, if you have that kind of mentality, if you have that kind of approach, you will have a different kind of stigma in your mind, and you always feel to be proud. So if you follow these my 10 steps in the life, you will be a very unique person in the world, and this is the way to be growth. And I hope you like my video. Once again, thank you. This is Mansoor.